You guys, today is the day! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline. My voice is gone. I think I might be getting sick. Anyways, today is such a special day because I am getting my couch and my bed delivered. So excited! I've been waiting 6 months for this, y'all. 6 freaking months. I ordered this in May and it's currently October. So, I'm so excited. Okay, so Crate and Barrel is coming. Well, they said 8 to 12. Right now it's 8:30. So they could be here any minute. Welcome back to Going Solo Diaries. I don't even know what episode this is. I feel like it's definitely in the double digits, but I don't remember what episode this is. Anyways, can you tell I had my coffee? I've got like so much energy this morning. And I opened a new bottle of my mascara, and I love fresh mascara. It's like perfect. Oh, Drew just texted me good morning. I moved my furniture off to the side. Honestly, I hope that there's enough room, but I have a feeling that there's not gonna be enough room to keep these chairs up here. But we'll see. Maybe I can put them in my bedroom or somewhere downstairs. And then I moved my little coffee table off to the side. Oh my gosh, also, hello, my painting got hung up. Absolutely love it. There's like a weird shadow because of the light, but somebody came and hung it up for $40, which wasn't too bad. But my dad and Drew wanted to do it, but the reason why they couldn't is because these stairs, if you like put a ladder on it, you literally can't because it goes down, and this was just way too high. So we found people to do it. I'm currently burning the last of this Bath & Body Works candle. Look at it, it's literally on its last life right now. This is the white pumpkin candle. I would definitely give this a 9 out of 10. I'm so excited though to burn this one. I saved this one for later because I do think that the pumpkin pecan waffle smells just a little bit better than this one. Crossing my fingers that this one finishes today, but I don't like to waste things, so that's why I'm burning it till it's literally gone. I forgot to share this in my other video, but when Drew was up here for Parents Weekend, when his mom came up and my parents came up, we were also celebrating our 6 months, and he got me a promise ring, and I got him a promise necklace because he prefers necklaces and I prefer rings. And look at how cute mine is. Mine is from Missouri. I wear it every single day and it literally sparkles. It's this beautiful gold ring with diamonds, and I just always look at it. Like it's bad how much I look at this. So my vanity also arrived, surprise, and it is from Wayfair. I had the same vanity from my room in Texas, and I loved it so much that I bought it again. Just like this mirror. I also had that mirror in Texas and I bought it again. I took out my lamps and put them on the ground so that they can move the bed, but I am too weak to pick up this bed. They're gonna build the bed frame in here. I don't know if I can move the mattress, but I'm gonna try to because I don't want to make them do that as well. I feel like that's a little tedious. I started to fill up some of my shelves, little bubble candles, some books, my perfumes, and then I also got this the other day from Cabela's. So this is not a real gun. This is a pepper spray gun. Self-protection, ladies. And then I kind of started to decorate my vanity a little bit. Let's try to move this bed. This is just so sad. Looks like they'll have to pop that baby up. Okay, the people from Crate and Barrel just got here, but they are doing some construction on the roads, so I don't even know. I hope that they can get through. If y'all have not heard about these slippers, I'm gonna put you on them. These are the UGG platform furry ones. I just totally made that name up. I have no idea what they're actually called, but I'll put it on the screen. These are my favorite slippers. They're so comfy And yeah, they're just the best. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm gonna do with these chairs now. Maybe they'll fit. I don't know. Move the furniture, move the lamp. I don't think I'm gonna keep this one. Probably will give this one to my mom or something. I just spilled this all over my sweatshirt. Oh my gosh, okay. So I'm almost done with my salad. Y'all, the people just left. They built everything and I'm about to show you my bed. I wanna tell y'all my favorite salad recipe because it's definitely worth copying and making. So all I put in here is romaine lettuce, shredded rotisserie chicken. So I just go to my grocery store, buy the big chicken, and then I obviously shred it with my fingers. You have to get your hands dirty, but it lasts you for like a week, the chicken. So I make salads throughout the week, and then I add shredded almonds on top, green onions cut up, and then I just drizzle balsamic dressing, and it is literally amazing, except for I spilled it on my sweatshirt down here, but it's okay. So like I said, this is what the couch looks like right now. I'm still gonna play around with this. It is so, so comfy. And then let me show y'all the downstairs. Still am not over the fact that this is finally hung up. If y'all been watching my videos, you know that I always was talking about, yeah, no, I think they're gonna hang it up soon, and then it never got hung up. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. How freaking cute is this? Okay, now I'm excited to actually make my bed. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Okay, so I'm just waiting on my nightstands, which Drew's mom is going to be building for me. She does custom woodworking, and she's building me custom nightstands to look like how I want them to. And then I'm waiting on a clothing rack that I ordered from Amazon. It's probably gonna go over here. And then I think I might take one of those chairs from upstairs and bring it down here, just to kind of fill the space a little bit. I'm gonna make my bed really quick. Holy cow, y'all, it's done. The people that delivered it said that I could get box springs to make it higher, which honestly, who knows, maybe I will end up doing that. Also, this is a really bad job of me making my bed, I'm sorry, but I absolutely love it. I feel like my room is finally now coming together, and it's just everything that I wanted. Oh my gosh. Also, how cute is this? There's literally a ledge up here, so you can put stuff, like maybe books or something like that. Okay, currently going to help my friend move into her dorm. She is switching dorms, so gotta make sure she's all moved in. So I'm on my way to the school right now. All right, let's go. We're moving Kaylee into her new dorm. Look at how much space there is in this. This is crazy. We're getting our steps in for the day.
Too tough to make sense, so stop your tragedy. It's spilling all over me. I used to like when you were alright then. I've grown tired, shot from the static. Wells dried up, it's time to find the same. Try to drive yourself home in this condition. Walk the line, don't fall. Cut my job in two. You need me me talking so long about the truth in circles. Where do I start? It's getting dark, but you keep it all inside. How